Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing my brand new Oyster Perpetual 41 by Rolex. Just bought it, wore it once, and the guys packaged it again for me. So it's like an unboxing of a brand new, and it's not an pre-worn or older one. So this is a Rolex box. Box standard Rolex box which you have been getting from the past many years. Looks great. Inside you get the watch, tag, and this is a brand new one. And if I had bought a pre-owned one from Rolex, it would have got a certified pre-owned Rolex badge here. So that's one way to make out if a watch is used or not. Here you get the Rolex badging, and you can actually take this box out, which I'm going to do with the one hand. So there you get nothing beneath the box. So I'll be honest with you, Omega boxes are much more premium. So what else you get? You get the watch itself, which will take a look in a minute or so. Let's see if we get anything else like user manual or anything. Let me see if I can take this thing out. Is it supposed to be taken out, or you don't get anything? That's very weird. I mean, I think there is no user manual or anything. I mean, something which you get with other watches, probably because it's a box standard Oyster Perpetual in black dial. Looks like a standard Rolex. Let's take it out. And I had told them to peel off those plastic stickers. So very beautiful watch, classic watch with classic looks. Nothing on the back, no see-through back like my Seamaster. Not very heavy, not as heavy as my Seamaster or my Speedmaster. Very satisfying clasp, but I prefer the quality of Omega. Honestly, I really prefer the quality of Omega. But I got it at a near retail price, so the price have come down a lot. I'll be honest with you, and I paid almost like $1,000 more than the retail price of this OP. And a year back, I was supposed to pay nearly 2x. The price have come down so much, mate. And you have the Rolex logo. It's not protruding out like the ones on Datejust, which I also own, which is a heavier watch than this. There's no date window, and I like the fact it has no date window. It's meant to be a simpler watch. It's the entry-level Rolex. This is the 41mm. I forgot to mention that. It's a 41mm Rolex. So let me take my Omega out of my hand, and which will give you an idea how big this watch is. So this is my Omega Seamaster 300M, and here you have the 41mm OP. This is 42mm, 42 I think, and this is 41. So they are both I would say different watches for different people or for different occasions. This is a diverse watch, serious diverse, with 300-meter water resistance. And this is not a diverse watch, which you can probably judge by its looks. But it's a cheap, not cheap I would say, but it's an entry-level affordable Rolex. The price have come down a lot, and I would really suggest you to visit your authorized dealer or your nearest gray market dealer to get one of these. Tell them the price have decreased a lot, and maybe you will get a nice sweet deal. Alright, hope you like this video. Give this video a like and say subscribe for more watch videos like these. Bye bye.